So to use a color picker in Canva um, is pretty easy. So say for example I've got some text here and it obviously doesn't look uh, like legible enough to actually read on the canvas. And I want to maybe use the yellow from the clouds here in this rainbow, for example, to make it a little bit more contrasted, or even maybe the fluoro green and the socks and the jersey here. What you need to do is whatever you're coloring, for example, this is text, so these are both text boxes. It should show what color they are in your toolbar. So just hit text color, and the way you can color pick something is if you look at photo colors, this may give you an indication if they're all here. If not, you can just hit the plus, then hit the eyedropper tool, so it'll say you can pick a color from the design. So hit that, and then your cursor will change into like a magnifier. And this is where you can basically hover over anything. You can see it has like a cubed crosshair, a square crosshair. And if you just left click on anything, it will color pick based off that that object, similar to Illustrator, and it will just place it on that text. This is probably the most straightforward way. If you want to use more than one color, for example, for different letters of text, all you need to do is just go highlight, and then basically you can choose from your list here, or if you need to color pick again, just hit the plus, and you can actually color pick something else. So for example, the red. That's probably not a good idea. Maybe the beige, or maybe the fluoro. We'll hit the fluoro with this one. And yeah, and then you click off, and that's pretty much it. So sometimes it's a bit confusing when you highlight text and then you color pick. Say again, for example, I want to use maybe the beige, or maybe we'll do like the deep red. I think it won't show you that the text is selected. It will have the box selected, but it won't show you that that highlighted text is selected like Illustrator or any Adobe product. So just I guess just be mindful of that. But yeah, that's kind of how you use it. You can also use this method for like objects, or changing colors of elements. Say for example, we're not maybe let's just say we want to change the color of this image, for example. Yeah, so this is like an image, but we can actually change the color of this. Say for example, we're not happy with this and want to color pick something else, then you can do this based off images as well. What else is there? Yeah, there's pretty much nothing else, but yeah, just always remember to click on your object and then color pick based off what you kind of want. Okay, so I'm just going to undo that. So hopefully that kind of makes sense. If you got any questions, just let me know. Thanks.